Hey, what's going on, guys? Today we have the 2012. This is a Kia Optima with AC to the air condition issues. All right, this is our trouble codes that we have. This is a B1695 lost communication with electric compressor. So I already found the issue, guys. So the issue is in the harness to communicate the electric motor compressor with the hybrid unit system. All right, so let me show you the harness. Look, this is the this is our diagram that we have. Let me see if you can see the cables right there. Okay, let me show you right here. Okay, right here, this is our electronic AC compressor. Okay, and this is our cables. The number one and number two, this is the power from the hybrid system, and the other cables is a communication with the can system. All right, from the AC control module. Okay, this is our cables. The can high, communication can low. All right, so now our issue is in AC compressor. Okay, I want to show you what happened with the harness, because the harness is broken for the rats. The rats ruined the cables. This cable, the on input from this fuse is what it was broken. It was broken right here. The module right here, this one, the air condition fuse is good, but the cable, this cable is broken on the AC compressor right here. Okay, so let me show you what happened. We're going to turn it off. Okay, I already charged the AC. Look at this, guys. This is our AC compressor right here. Okay, so I already fixed it with this green cable, but the other cable, the orange cable, is broken. It was broken from rats. If you see the other cables right here, look, this is the issue from rats. So be careful, just check your harness. Be very careful with your harness. Check everything. Just to see this kind of harness, you need to disassemble this bracket. It's a little piece of metal. This bracket, it was installed right there. Okay, so all right, guys, if you have this kind of code, just go to check the harness, erase codes, charge the AC, and that's all, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye bye, guys.